But, like, I wonder if they could also be in these things, you know? I don't know. Oh, what the fuck? I just got an Amber Alert. Did anybody else in Ontario just get a fucking Amber Alert? Emily Lurch, 11 years old. Last seen, Stratford. If seen, call 911. Yeah, what the fuck? My phone is frozen because I got this fucking Amber Alert. Okay, we're good. What is Amber Alert? It's like a emergency by like the government or something like that. I don't know. It always happens when there's like an abduction or like anything. Okay, well, this phone did that, not this one. That's scary as fuck. I don't want to be hearing that shit, especially in the middle of a fucking hornet infestation. What the fuck?